No, Caboose! No! Ah! And he's off. Bear!
Oh, here he comes.
Ah!
He's got mud all
Oh
the way up.
my goodness. Ah! He's going back in. Wait, quick so I can get it on. Ah!
When he gets wet, he gets totally
That's
crazy.
hypo. Ah!
We just got splashed.
Oh no.
Splattered.
Bear, you're a hunting dog.
Oh my god.
All right, he's coming back this side. Oh no. Ah!
Oh,
Hey.
he's coming around.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh, he's back in. Oh no.
Oh, Bear.
Where'd he go?
Okay, good boy. Here he comes.
Oh no. Oh, careful. That was a face. You're okay. Hop up. Oh, you didn't drop your sticks. Good job. Oh my goodness.
Oh, that's cool.
He's eating the mud.
Oh, honey.
All right, I'm getting this on film. Oh no. Oh no. He just ate clumps of mud.
It's not regular mud.
No, that's like swamp mud. Oh no! Ah! Oh no. Where? Oh no. He stops to eat mud. What are you eating?
Yeah. Be careful, Caitlin. He's going all crazy.
Yeah, watch out if he flies by. What are you eating, Bear? Oh no. He's catching things in the water and eating them. What are you doing?
Are there fish?
He's chewing something from there.
He's sinking. Uh-oh.
No, he's all right sinking. Oh. Come here, Bear.
Are you getting this?
Yes, it's all on film. Yeah, he's not sinking. He's good. He's enjoying it. He's getting like a mud bath. Oh my goodness. No! Oh my goodness. He's flicking the mud around with his mouth.
Oh, yeah.
What is he? Oh my god. Oh my. What is he doing? What are you doing?
This could go viral.
What
Worse.
is he doing? He's like, oh no. Oh no. What are you doing? Oh my goodness.
This is the best
This is the best day of my life. He just keeps on eating chunky things in the mud. Oh no. Ah! Oh my goodness.
You have to hold him on the way home.
Seriously, all muddy. We're gonna have to get him in the faucet, the water.
Yuck. Oh,
What is he eating?
is it a leaf, a frog?
What is that? What is that?
Did you eat a frog?
What is he eating?
As picky as he is at home,
Right?
he's eating this
He's
stuff.
either eating chunks of mud or a frog or dead fish. Oh my goodness. And he's coming back around. Where'd he go? Oh my goodness. He's at the far one.
Weird look.
What are you doing? What?
It looks like there's something in the water. Look, it's bubbling.
I know. It's like air bubbles. Like,
The
oh,
frogs are like, what is
right?
going on?
What is
Look,
going
feel my
on?
legs.
Oh my goodness.
Feel my legs. Look.
I see. Oh, Phil, those are
They
Carter's
splash.
legs. Wait,
Oh, I just
wait.
heard a splash.
Yes, there.
Bear.
Oh my goodness.
It's a different pond.
All right.
Oh my gosh, we got to get him out.
Seriously, come on, Bear. Oh no, now he doesn't want to come back.
Have to rescue him.
Right?
Oh, it's trying to get out.
Okay.
All right.
All right. Come on. Let's. Oh no. Oh no. Ah! Oh, wait, Carter. He's going back for that one. All right.
I've been swatted.
Oh no. Oh no. Okay.
Caitlin.
All right, Katie, you come over here.
Yeah, you and
Come get my hand. And here, follow this way to mommy.
Come on, sweet darling.
All right, Bear, come on. We might have to get the leash on him because he is
He's just having a sugar rush.
He is. Did that donut kick in? Here, get him, Carter. Get his collar. All right, he's got him. All right, let's put him on the leash.
Seriously, Bear.
Oh, my Lord. Oh, he's rolling his legs all over Carter.
He's doing flips.
No, Bear. Oh, ew, wait, get him. Don't let him run. Oh, my goodness. Bear, seriously, I see. She might have got like a poke in her sock or something. All right. Okay, hold it there. Okay. Walking definitely will help.
Oh my gosh.
Do you see this?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, it sure will. What are we gonna do?
Let's
Are we gonna
leash
head
him
back?
till at least.
You got the leash.
In my pocket.
Yeah. Okay. Don't
He's
look
gonna
at
keep
me.
going back into it.
I was thinking you
Oh.
had the leash. I was thinking you had the leash.
There.
Oh my goodness. All right, well, that's 6 minutes of a free for all.
No.
Look,
Okay.
is there a bath somewhere?
On me.